This is everything that I found on my 2-day cleanup of a very small patch of my veggie garden. After finding all these broken pieces of glass, bricks, tiles, and even dishes, I originally planned to put vegetables here, but after seeing what was buried underneath, that didn't feel right anymore. So I've decided to plant flowers instead. It took 2 days of heavy cleaning just to get to this point. Now the seeds are in, the soil is finally clean. This is how I got here. This is what I was working with. A lot of weeds and 2 plants that I wanted to save. Here I'm taking away the weeds by hand because there's a wisteria plant hidden there. Guys, I have decided to till this, and you can see I haven't even tilled here. This is my sweet peas, and I've tilled here, here, and here. And this is everything that I found here, but also here. And I'm quite shocked. And okay, this thing, it was not empty, completely empty, but I've pretty much covered all of it with new stuff. And you can see it's still not even completely clear. There are still so many little pieces, smaller pieces, and I'm going to plant here only flowers because I found dubious material, and I don't know, I'm really shocked because this is a part of the garden where people used to have a veggie garden. I found this was already here, there was one more here, so this is part of the land that people did use to plant in, and I just don't know what they were thinking. So yeah, another piece of glass, I think. Yeah, you see. Let's look at the bright side. I do have some peas, but I guess I have to water. I always forget to water. And yeah, they're going to drink tonight if I remember to. water them. And then look what I have here. I cannot wait for these. What are they called in English? So I'm feeling pretty defeated today. I won't lie. I also kind of killed my flower status or something like this. So I pretty much killed it because I was tilling too close. I just hope the land is not all like this. So hopefully this is the part they were using as their dustbin, I guess. And I did have less horrible stuff here, though I still found glass and stuff like that. But yeah, let's look at the bright side. I have a beautiful little peony here. A couple of days later, I was ready to plant my flowers, but I decided to go over the soil one more time just to be safe. And it's a good thing I did, because I found, again, pieces of glass, brick fragments, and other trash. So what I thought was going to be a quick 10-minute job turned into a full afternoon of cleanup. Again, so here it is. I don't even know what this is. It's metal. This looks like the base of a dish. I found many pieces of this. A blue cup. I managed to save the wisteria, but here you can see there are some issues on the leaves. It's not everywhere, but on some parts of the plant, so I will have to tackle that next. Here I have transplanted Cosmos and Nigellas, and here there's a poor bougainville, which, yeah, looks like it might be saved, but we'll see. And here I've planted zinnias, lupins, and some basil, just because. So here it is, the transformation of this poor piece of garden from this to this. Can't wait to see it green again, but at least without all this stuff underneath.